Send it to me.
You got the hiccup. It's growing. It's a growing girl. This is a growing girl. Look at that face. You cutting them out?
He's like, what is that? What's going on?
Oh.
And my daddy's eyes.
You cutting those eyes already. You are. It's a cutting baby's eyes. Yeah, cut them eyes. Yeah. Cutting them eyes, won't you? See, I'll cut my eyes at you. Can you cut your eyes, Uncle Matt? Cut your eyes, Uncle Matt. Jerry, cut your eyes.
To bat my baby blues.
Oh my goodness.
You can pick up
You
all
little
you
cute.
want.
You are too cute.
You put on the show.
I'm putting on the Ritz.
You putting the Ritz on for everybody.
I'm growing. Yes, you are.
You don't like that, do you? Oh my God.
That's the cutest thing.
I forgot to get
I mean, it's the cutest little hiccups, too.
They are cute.
Smile. You smile.
You are trying to, girl, I know what you're doing up there. I see it. I see it. Mama sees it. I know what you're doing over there. What?
They're a day old. I'm growing fast.